So this is an AirTag. In simple words, I think this is a tile tracker with steroids for the Apple ecosystem. So let's take a look at this in a little more detail. Okay, so let's start with a quick and simple unboxing. Everything is super simple. You get it in a tiny little box, and I've ordered this from Apple's website, and I got it engraved and with a personal message. By the way, we also hit 2,345 subscribers. Unboxing it is a 3-step process. It's very minimal. Maybe it takes a minute. Just open the box by pulling up this tab. Taking out this booklet type of thing and opening it up. Right in the middle we get our AirTag wrapped in plastic. Once you take out the plastic, it makes a sound letting you know that the AirTag is turned on and is ready to set up. To set it up, just bring your AirTag close to your iPhone and there you're going to get a pop-up. Set up your AirTag from here. You're going to name it and pair it to your Apple ID, and that's pretty much it for the setup. Now you probably already know that there's no other way to attach this to something just by itself, just because there is no hole or anything. So you need an accessory to do just that. Before ordering my keychain, I went to Apple's website, and from there I saw the cheapest keychain was for $3,500, which is more expensive than this AirTag itself. So then I went to Amazon and I just got my keychain for $500. So I had my AirTag for 2 or 3 days, and so far I did not see much scratches because I'm not trying to get it scratched, maybe because I have to film this video obviously. But if you're going to buy it and use it, it's going to get scratched because it's going to go in your backpacks, your pockets, your keys and whatnot. But I think this can take a good beating because I feel it's solid and good and it doesn't feel cheap at all. So this AirTag is IP67 water resistant, so it is fine to use it in some rain or some splashes or even fully submerged in water for I guess 30 minutes. Also something I did not expect from Apple to make this battery replaceable. So that's really nice. According to Apple, the battery should last you for almost a year, and then you can replace it yourself, which can be done very easily simply by pressing and twisting of the metal cover on the back. It takes a CR2032 battery, which is pretty common nowadays, and it is also used in most of the key fobs. So what do you do if you find an AirTag? To find something that is not too far from you, maybe inside the house or apartment, well, it's very simple. So you would open your Find My app on your iPhone and go over to Items tab and choose the item/AirTag you want to find. Now from here you could either play a sound or you could experience the whole U1 precision finding thing if you have an iPhone 11 or newer. However, if you have any other iPhone with iOS 14.5 or newer, you can still use your AirTag by playing the sound. You just won't get that fancy directions. That's it. Now the best part about AirTags. In case you lose it pretty much anywhere in the world, you can still find it as long as there are other iPhones nearby. So using the Find My iPhone app, you can activate Lost Mode. It will ask you for your phone number or your email ID. Once you put that in, Lost Mode will be activated. Now, as soon as any other iPhone comes close to your AirTag, it will securely communicate with the iPhone's location and only let you know where the item/AirTag is. But if you are an Android user, what if you find an AirTag? They can still scan your NFC tag just by tapping their phone on top of the AirTag. It will open up a web page showing your information which you entered while activating Lost Mode. So that's the reason I like the AirTags more than the tile trackers. Just because there are so many iPhone users compared to tile users. With an AirTag, you'll have a higher chance of finding your item. Now, I really want to talk about the privacy concern. Like the AirTag can be maliciously used to track down people or something, and what has Apple done to prevent that? Because I myself don't fully understand that, and I'm not going to pretend like I know something what Apple is doing. But I'll try my best to leave an article down in the description. You can just go there and read the article, which will talk a little more about that. But that's pretty much it what AirTags are. They're just trackers that are very Apple-y, because of the all accessories sold separately situation, but they're very minimal and I like it. They work very well with the Apple ecosystem, and if you're a part of that, do consider buying this AirTag. But that's all for this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe, and if you're interested in some more of my videos, you can just click here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. So what do you do if you find an AirTag? Finally, after 3 months I shot my video.